Hello there, welcome back to a weather update today. Right now we have an enhanced risk severe weather tonight. We'll be seeing if that stays during the 1Z Storm Prediction Center outlook. But right now, main threats are including damaging winds and large hail. Potentially maybe a tornado or two is still on the line with maybe some embedded supercells along this pretty snaky QLCS. But right now we're seeing some severe thunderstorms impacting portions of Philadelphia heading southward. We're seeing that pretty well-defined bow echo heading south into Delaware towards Dover, and we're seeing a definitely a pretty well indicated anyways. Gust front that's located here is probably producing winds. Yeah, within here we're seeing probably winds around 50-60 miles per hour, which probably warranted the severe thunderstorm warning for 60 miles per hour winds. And also what's something to look at the tail end is maybe a potential supercell as well, as we're definitely this tracks off to the south and east will be continuing to track if maybe some tornadic potential, but right now it seems low actually, as due to definitely not a lot of low level shear. So anyways, moving on, we're looking at towards Scranton, and pretty much more well-defined bow echoes, bone segments. You're going to continue to head off to the east as it interacts with the cooler marine air located around the coast heading into New Jersey. These are going to be probably weakening by then, which is all good news, which is pretty good news, actually. Very good news. And looking at this cell, another well-defined bow echo, and yeah, tornado possible on this one. Let's see, velocity, not really much at all. Let's see. Yeah, nothing much. So, heading towards Tennessee now. We're looking at a couple severe thunderstorm warnings now across Tennessee, heading to North Carolina, actually, Appalachian regions. And these thunderstorms have weakened. Reflectivity values have definitely dropped significantly. Take a look at velocity. These are some pretty fast moving storms, and we're seeing again some winds over Kingston around 50-60 miles per hour. Looking at height, around 5,000 feet. So yeah, not too good. Pretty high up, so probably a tiny bit less at the surface. But anyways, looking at Mississippi right now, we're seeing again the outflow boundary seems to be located right here, gust front, towards Yazoo City, and yeah, some damaging winds are possible along with this, and yes, we do have a enhanced risk severe weather, like we said earlier. I think it's like from here. I don't know really the outline when you actually get pulled up, and it's around stretching from around New York all the way, cuts off at the Pennsylvania and Maryland border, and curves off there, and then heading very large slight risk and marginal risk, as both of them spreading around 500,000 square miles. So definitely a lot of people, and over 70 million people are under this severe risk tonight. But anyways, that's all I have to say. But again, these thunderstorms are going to continue to produce damaging winds as it heads east. However, though, once it interacts with the cooler marine air, it's expected to probably be starting to weaken by then, as instability values are expected to be dropping off the overall environment is expected to be dropping off in favorability for some strong to severe storms, and it will probably have more of an impact towards southern New England and towards Connecticut, Massachusetts, and also Rhode Island, as instability values across the coastal New Jersey mixed layer Cape is around 1,000 joules per kilogram across all of New Jersey. So, again, it's right now probably reaching its peak in or already past peak in terms of more favorability. But we'll see what happens later tonight. Have your NOAA weather radio, at least if you have one, ready. Have some batteries in it, and definitely be alert for any severe thunderstorm warning or any watch, and take action or prepare and take action as well. So apart from that, that's really it. Bye.